Economic apartheid. So when we gained political freedom in 1994, azange sayithola economic emancipation. Hence, South Africa is the most unequal country in the world. Not only do we have a high unemployment, we also have high income inequality and high wealth inequality. So income inequality means ukuthi ekhampanini A1 an individual engahola 3.5 thousand while in the same company kunomuntu ohola 3 million. Yangithola? So mesobheka ama-average in that company kuzoba ngathi maybe the average is 150,000 kuba ngathi leyo company leyo ibhadala grant ama-employees wayo. But because of this high income inequality, there's high inequality nje. Yangithola? We also have wealth inequality. So wealth inequality means ukuthi eSouth Africa 0.01% of the population, abantu abayi 3,500, own 15% of the wealth. Yangithola? 0.1% of the population own 25% of the wealth, and 10% of the population own 85% of the wealth. Even the division there, ayipheleli just amongst races, yangithola, ukuthi whites and blacks or white, yangithola. It also even amongst Tina, black people, like we have high income inequality, we have high inequality as a whole, yangithola, because of ama-BEE only benefited like a small fraction of abantu abamnyama. Like mina, I have more in common nomuntu ohlala eCape Flat than I do maybe no Cyril Ramaphosa or no Patrice Motsepe, regardless ukuthi we are both black and we are both male. Yangithola? The issue esinayo kahle kahle la eSouth Africa eperpetuator the inequality is the capitalist holding class. Yangithola? And ama-capitalist, they know ukuthi they are the issue. So because they know ukuthi they are the issue and they have money and they are very, very, very smart. Yangithola? They manufacture a division. Yangithola? Firstly, they manufacture a division amongst ama-genders. Yabo? Ukuthi kube ngathi in the workspace kube ngathi ama females are taking imisebenzi from the guys, yabo, or ama-gender wars. Yangithola? They manufacture xenophobia. Kube ngathi ama-migrants are taking imisebenzi from the locals. Yangithola? They manufacture i-tribalism ukuthi kunabantu who can say maybe umuntu ose-Gauteng athi abantu base-Limpopo basithathile imisebenzi la eGauteng. Yangithola? Umuntu maybe wase-Limpopo athi abantu base-North West basithathile imisebenzi. Yangithola? Umuntu wase-Western Cape maybe athi abantu base-Eastern Cape basithathile imisebenzi. Like they bayi-manufacture like yangithola? They even manufacture i-class hate ukuthi people of a certain class, mara not completely different class, people of bonke abantu in the lower class bazondane bona, yabo? Like umuntu maybe who's in a township asitshela ukuthi abantu bakuma-squatter camps ba-bad or whatever, yabo? Nomuntu who's in the squatter camps asitshele the same thing ngabantu who sleep ey'tradeni. Yangithola? Ukuthi even though sonke si-poor, but because we are poor in different ways, sicabanga ukuthi we are better than laba abanye abantu. Yangithola? So the real issue eperpetuator the inequality nale economic apartheid is the capitalist holding class. Yangithola? So kumele sicabange indlela to deal with the capitalist holding class. Yangithola?